Hi, good day. In this tutorial video, we're gonna show you how to connect and configure desktop computers and a networking switch using Cisco Packet Tracer. For this configuration, we're gonna use the Class A IP address for PC0 to PC2. First thing we need to do is to drag end devices, specifically desktop computers and a networking switch. So we have PC0, PC1, and PC2. Then we're just gonna add also a networking switch. Using a copper straight-through cable, we will be able to connect the desktop computer and the switch. Plug the first end of the fast Ethernet port 0 of PC0 and then the other end to the fast Ethernet port of switch. Do the same to the other computer units. We already connect PC0, PC1, and PC2 to the networking switch. Next thing we're going to do is we were going to assign the IP addresses of the desktop computer. For PC0, 10.0.0.2, for PC1, 10.0.0.3, and for PC2, 10.0.0.4. So type in the IP address 10.0.0.2, subnet mask 255.0.0.0, and for PC1, 10.0.0.3, subnet mask 255.0.0.0. And for the last PC, for PC2, assign its IP address as 10.0.0.4, subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Once we already assign the IP addresses for each unit, we will now be able to send the PDU from one PC to another computer. So let's try. Click on the envelope icon from PC0 to PC1. Successful. Let's try another one. From PC2 or PC1 to PC2. Successful. Let's try another one. From PC2 to PC0. Successful. Hopefully, you've learned something from this video. For more tutorial videos, you can check out, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.